Okay, sweet, you're on. Action.
Hi, I'm Adrian from SOZU Media. Today we're in Papamoa, well, this afternoon actually. However, it's a bit windy. We're supposed to be filming, but it's a bit windy. So we've got our equipment, we've got this, but we're not actually going to use it because it's windy. So instead, I thought I'd just talk about some key points for when you are presenting on camera instead. So we're just going to film this on our iPhone, and so not this obviously because this is over here. So here's a couple of key points for presenting on camera. Point one is what are you going to say? Or more importantly, what do you want to say? It's important to have one key message, otherwise people just can't take it too much. You want to refine your words down to a key point, work on your script, and another key point is don't waffle. What I'm about to do, so you should stop waffling. People don't like that. Another thing is, what is the key point of your talk? Is it to educate? Is it to entertain? Providing information? You want to work all these things before you get to presentation day and turn up with a script. And finally, in this area, I would say avoid tricky words. Once you've got your script, if there's a word you're stumbling on, you want to change it because your mind's going to play tricks on you. So when you come up to that word in the script, there's a good high chance you're going to stuff it up. So get words you can use and you're comfortable with. Point two is confidence. Some people are naturally confident and are great on camera. Some people are naturally confident, but then they're terrible on camera. So you really want to, for example, practice being on camera. Go home, practice what you're going to say, and work on your confidence. You want to be up a bit. I usually say, if you're over 18, you want to say, think of yourself as you had a glass and a half of wine. Get your confidence up, but obviously not. Some people go over the top. It's like, hey, look at me. Another key part of being confident on camera is, I'd say, knowing your script. You want to rehearse your script, rehearse so you're comfortable. You don't want to come across as robotic, but you want to come across as natural, know your words. Another tip on confidence is only have the necessary people around you when you're filming. So, for example, if you're filming in an office and people are walking past you all the time, that can be really off-putting. Clear the area of people you don't want watching you. Otherwise it can get really embarrassing, blood pressure goes up, and you fluff your lines. The next tip is to talk to the camera. You want to look down the barrel of the camera, not the person. You might be getting directions. Often people go, taking directions from the sky here. So they're going, hi, my name is Adrian. So you want to look down the barrel of the camera, unless for example, you're doing like a 30-degree, say, angle offshoot to the side. It's a one-on-one relationship with you and the camera, and that connects you to your audience. So do that. Next is body language. People often go, what am I doing with my hands? What am I doing with these things? Well, I suggest this is too much. It's sort of fig leaf one like that. That's probably not enough. So you want to just sort of natural use of hands to help convey your words, but not too much. You also want to think of posture, how you're standing. Another thing is also just any little nervous habits you have. So you just want to watch anything that can be distracting to your audience. Next is appearance, is what you're wearing and how you look suitable for what you're trying to convey in your video. I'm looking pretty good right now.
Really?
But I wouldn't be looking like this if I was doing a high corporate video. So you want to dress appropriately, and I also suggest you want to dress comfortably. Because as I said, you can get quite nervous in the whole process, so you want to have comfortable clothes. And one other tip about clothes is what you're wearing going to look okay on camera, as in, obviously you don't want to wear a green screen shirt when you've got a green screen behind you. And a final suggestion is always have some water nearby, like I have. So if you get talking, your throat gets dried out, so you just want a little bit of water. Not too cold though, not cold. Otherwise that could be worse. So that was our 6 tips on being filmed on camera. I hope this helped.